Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma. The English I speak, the English I speak. Good morning, man. Good morning, sir. The English I speak. We welcome all of you. Come the PADI show today. And as it be like this, so today things go different in a different way because yesterday they beat me anyhow. They beat me left, right, and center. They commit man battery. But today, so I say, make you go answer question because different men all over the world don't come to the hotel and say, come, young girl, you can not come and be doing this thing to a responsible looking man on a TV, in the public television, and everything. You understand? So like this now, my wife have been sent on exile till further notice. And today, I'm there with my fellow man, my G, my guy, one of the guy we carry hair like he's a flavor wannabe. You understand me now? He's just a guy who's just a guy. You understand? He named Edewo. Wait, Ogbonge. You go. I just hail you now. You just say, what's wrong to you?
How we did? I did, but I want to make it. Wait. You talked something before.
Okay, you never greet the FM before you talk to me.
How na day, my people? I did. But wait, Ogbonge. The thing you talk before.
Follow my I can't follow you. Argue.
How you go talk say it's an ordinary guy, just an ordinary guy, a hopeless guy?
Oh yeah, use your mouth to introduce yourself.
My people, how na day, Giant, your boy. As soon as you see me, so you see me in blue, you see me in red, see me flashing number. I just alert your boy. As they go, fresh boy. They were too bad, too fresh. Wait.
Let's see behind this one now.
They advertise my market now.
What you advertise your cloth, be your hair, be yourself.
Swagalicious swagger. The boy on the move, on the go, on the flying. Hey. Yes, I beg. Next time.
Who come worse now?
Next time, if you want to introduce me, take time. You understand? Yes. Okay. Because people like me, we are well recognized in our place. Okay. You understand?
So okay. No problem.
Be warned.
No problem. Shay, you know, say na my show you did. You know, say na for my show you did.
You know my guy now.
I don't be your guy now. You don't serious. So all of now, welcome to PADI show. And there my guy, also for go run the package today because she have to kneel down and pay for all the nonsense she do. Man, they beat me anyhow for the show.
She don't get red skirt
at all. They flood me anyhow, they slap me, they press my ear, they press things, they bite me. If you see what she do for this show yesterday.
No,
Jakaya. She carry my shirt up, she bites me for here, bite me for here, bite me for here. Don't come on my child herself.
My be warned.
Be warned. Slim girls.
No.
Do anyhow.
Now so when I go there, I think say these girls don't get power.
Oh, Kakayi, in bone strong. Very strong bone. Elephant, not near her. Seriously. Anyway, una welcome for the show, and they'll go run every on top the whole level like this with my guy, my G, Edewo, and myself, Ogbonge. You know, we'll continue every. So we're not go anywhere. We they come back on this particular break, and we'll continue with everything on top. Yarn to yarn. You know what they do? Yeah, sir. Ow! finish him. He don't finish him.
He kill him.
Yeah.
He finish.
Ah.
I good like that year.
Me too. I
dey juggle ball like say when they ball me, they just give me ball.
Juggling.
I dey juggle.
Me, I no be play football. I no be play football. I just but forget that guy bad.
No.
You say this guy dey your team. They come talk say, come, make us play free kick. No. May not play. If this guy play, na machinery.
But
machinery.
If you look that thing, you go think say na witchcraft.
No, but some people get this natural gifts. Natural gift. They can be pot things.
Hey!
But this kind of guy may not go near anybody girlfriend.
Because
this guy is a potty.
He
measure things.
When they say he dey score goal.
That guy dey score goal. He dey score goal. Yarn the yarn. Una welcome yarn the yarn things now. So we'll take our yarn the yarn things and we begin for the two proper on top of the gist we get from Una this morning. Yarn the yarn. No show my picture again for that yarn.
No.
I don't want to see a picture
again. Before woman where they beat man.
I mean.
No red skirt. No, she doesn't have information.
I just don't like this yesterday. She said, hey, you don't kill me. Hey, you don't kill me. Say that woman battery.
You see her?
My lawyers will hear this.
You see her?
So me, I'm not confident touch him. Because if they don't say one thing.
Yes, now but God go good. You know go good.
I don't want to see a picture again, please. Yes. Thank you very much.
As a well-respected man, you go your liver.
Exactly. I just leave him. I just lock up. I won't bite him. I said no, make I no go bite him. I said no, make I no go. I just.
It's all right.
It's
okay. The Coco Combi say this one not be beating issue.
Yes.
This one today, this topic not be beating issue.
Man to man.
But this issue na man to man. See what thing happen. When they say people, be like say Chris, don't they affect them from sleep? You don't understand when they talk that kind of thing. They say 26-year-old man, you know, 26-year-old man will be name na Paul Adelakun. Say police been arrest him for Ikotun inside the Ikotun division. Say this guy, this guy be neighbor where they call Victor Tolowell. Victor Tolowell. Say this Victor just day on the own, jejely for house. Say in Beleive they do one kind.
Okay.
Say me just stroll enter toilet.
Just go help himself.
Yes. Now in this Mr. Paul can't decide, say, he know they like wetin they hear, he know they like the smell wey they perceive. Say, wetin dey happen? Say, people they drop bomb for here. Now he just enter toilet, open door, braga! You see, Mr. Victor, they do things.
Yeah.
Now he hold up, he punch up, bo. Why you dey shit for here? Bo, why you dey do am? Bo. Now he talk say, as he brush this guy, can't talk say. Then he can't carry the guy, waiting the guy don't drop inside the pool.
By himself.
He say Chook for inside the guy mouth.
Yama!
Hey! It touched my heart.
Oh, it touched me.
It touched my heart.
He carried the
thing where they inside.
He
put her inside the guy mouth.
He said, shop your own thing.
He said, shop your own thing. Why you go do that? So, I mean, I can't the one that say, share na morning craze, na in do am. I mean, na afternoon craze. Or waiting, which kind?
Na early morning witchcraft craze.
Early morning witchcraft craze.
Witchcraft craze.
I think I must say, man, this thing no nice. No. Your fellow man go do you that kind of thing.
Na very, very bad thing. And maybe that other guy, the Victor guy, maybe he no expect him. You understand? Maybe no they expect him. Say this kind of guy go just maybe when they won't argue, you just say, okay, no, I dey shit man before I talk no.
Before you want to talk
before I say, how now I want to get.
No, but as you talk the thing, so
they do something like that. So say one. I beg if you shop for house, no vex. My man's going to test.
They don't talk say the guy go pay fine. No?
You know he has to pay fine.
Say go pay fine.
Which kind thing?
Pay 20, but the fine come they say na 20,000 naira fine.
20,000. Say you bath person for March with.
He say why it's 20,000 naira.
20K.
My brother 20K.
If that one if you do it tomorrow now, another 20K. Not be anything. Just
I call they wonder say you go after every well as it dey like say the man they don't carry and go prison shall put am for kirikiri pending when he ready to you know pay and this one go be like in November 3 months so the guy go there the lounge.
That kirikiri. If it be another 4 years.
Brother as you don't enter so case close.
My brother next time when you are smelling shit from somewhere, you will leave the shit alone.
Not because say you big, you're strong. You just go there, harass everybody.
What's wrong with you?
What they do?
What carry shit? They paint person
face.
You are a bad somebody.
You get?
I mean, you know they shit your own shit.
Concentrate
on your own shit.
Check if you want to hold it, hold your own.
I mean, if you
carry on.
I mean, when the smell where it's evidence of good living.
Good living.
It's just like the shop where you are a jealous somebody.
It's jealous.
Wicked.
Very jealous.
Wicked you.
Nonsense.
Anyway, aside from the shit gist, make I come carry us go another gist is different. All the way inside the India. India.
Those are the two names.
They can love. Now that love, now I worry this man now.
Hey.
The world largest family. World largest family. Inside the family, there be 181 all together.
Hey!
181.
Wait. 181.
181. Ha! African man never even try for that one. Say 181. The year Zayona Chana, now be the man name. See the whole family, see the squad.
Yeah.
One person family.
I don't understand.
He married 39 wives.
Bam.
39.
Bam.
This guy, he meant on a Solomon.
He alone is a champion.
Oh, you na solo?
Yeah.
So no be Solomon.
Yeah.
39 wives.
Yeah.
94 children.
Hey.
14 daughter-in-laws. And 33 grandchildren.
Wow. Wait. Say this man, they take care of all these people.
They stay one house, all of them. See their house.
Now estate in the state.
Now hotel in get. All of them. And they say everybody, they do their work where they share in bed by timetable. Oh yeah, Mama Risika, tomorrow is your day. Iya Stella, tomorrow is your day. Mama Mayowa,
Hey! See room. Hey!
My brother.
See bed.
So that bed, Nana, each by each.
Maybe
one day if you just look up, say, today I want 4. Tomorrow I want 2. Next tomorrow just 1.
But wait. If India, they feel live like this, in peace and harmony.
In harmony.
You know, say for this place where we did, so this part of the world, if na 2. Now waiting chase me come from east be that too. 2 women.
2.
Just 2.
Just to not cause you wahala.
Now cause me trouble.
Hey! Me, I'm thanking God for my own one in the future. Because it's me, I'm going to be one. But I say this particular guy, so say him be leader of one particular sect where the day you dey allowed to marry more than one wife. But this guy, he be champion.
This one not marry more than 1.
39 wives. They say he still get plan to marry more.
He won't make him 40.
40.
Hey!
If he be like 45.
Nah, he's an actionist.
Or maybe 50.
He's going there.
That guy is a bad guy.
Hey, he's a bad guy.
Hey! 94 children.
No, we hail you.
Wow, bros with the hail. Bros with the hail. We hail thee. You are a givey.
Hey!
My brother. He's a givist. Among those children, he's a givist.
He's a givist.
On a give. Give.
You don't spoil it. You don't say you don't spoil.
Wait. No, now give her now. They say go ye into the world and multiply. Distribute them everywhere. I just be father of all nations.
I mean, they look at your sister that day.
Wait. I slap your ear. My thing. What's wrong with you? My sister is covered with the blood. They look my over.
You want make her carry one go beat me?
My wife is covered with petrol.
She's covered in petrol.
Explosion. Okay. As they be like this now, if you get any gist or comment for these 2 gist who don't first drop just now, just go for Twitter, just go there, go drop at Wazobia PADI. Reach for there, give us the gist on top every. Today, my one day house, so we are free to do us with laugh.
Anyhow. Would they do anyhow?
So for now, we'll go match this break like
anyhow. Match it anyhow.
Then we'll come back, continue on top of yarn. No go anywhere. That's still the PADI show.
Stay there.
Myself and the devil. You know what they do.
We don't take over.
Like G.
We have taken it.
Why? No, why?
Why?
Why that picture
Why?
again? Why that picture again?
Why?
I don't like all this kind of thing.
No, tell them.
If this man battery woman.
No, I don't understand.
I don't like all this thing.
No, wait, you say man battery woman.
Man battery woman. I ain't my happy now. No.
Okay, she be the man.
No, we dey worry you now.
Wait,
why they spoil this whole thing?
Hey, sorry.
It's a man battery woman.
A man battery. Oh, man battery
woman.
Oh.
Like
now woman with the batter man.
With the batter man.
Okay.
You understand? No be batter like exchange.
Confirm.
Batter like a battery like beat.
Brushing.
They brush your hair.
No, this matter of beats, of brushing, don't too much. Because look now, the next story where they now still onto beating matter.
Okay, but this one now man to woman.
Now man to woman.
Okay.
Now still brushing matter. And this one a very, very serious matter because the thing no end for there. You know end for there.
You know end for brushing.
You know end for brushing.
Gist.
See wetin happen. They talk say one man wey im wife na dancer. Im wife na dancer. She dey do video. They dey alright. They do okay. The guy na in name na Milton Varia. In 32 years.
Milton Varia.
Milton Varia. 32 years. This na for Brazil area.
Oh.
In Rio de Janeiro.
Oh.
Sure, you don't go there before.
My brother, I know.
Na for Rio de Janeiro, Brazil area. In name na, so they talk say this man. They catch this man for CCTV. You know all those cameras?
Those cameras for angle.
Yes, we go there angle. We just they watch you.
For house, for street.
Where you not gonna say they watch you? Yes.
They
catch this man. Where they brush his wife.
Hey.
Boka. They brush his wife. They carry the woman head. Knock am for you know those paving stones.
Yes.
We go there side of motor. Boom! 11 times. Boom! Knock am. And funny thing is, all these things they catch him for video. Because the CCTV there. They catch him live. See him. Knock am. See the lovely woman. See the lovely lady where the man decides say he go do all those kinds of stuff. He knock am. Boom. The guy can't leave the body, can't drag him, enter inside the car park area where he park. Go inside house.
Yes.
Come out.
Huh?
Carry gun.
Oh.
Now he carry gun. Face the girl for head.
Hey.
Shoot her.
Poka.
Another 5 to 10 bullets inside the head. For the guy mind now. The cons can say, brother, waiting happen. See as he do face like sports beans.
Your sports beans face.
The cons can say, waiting make him decide to do this thing to his wife. Now the guy open mouth, come talk say, he no like the way other men they look at.
Oh.
So now waiting make him decide to destroy the poor lady destiny.
To kill him just like that.
He kill him just like that.
This is very, very...
See as the baby.
I mean, look and see the hot babe
see
now.
Hot babe.
This is wickedness.
I can't look the thing say, how this kind hot babe go they marry that kind guy will be like zombie?
Now love.
Which kind of love be that?
Some people like zombie love. Some people like what love?
So what do you call this kind of love?
No, this love is zombie love.
Zombie love.
Zombie love. Whoa. Zombie love. Oh.
I was disappointed to my heart and my spirit.
So wait, she know say they get a dance before marry her?
He know.
You have to know you see plaka.
He know.
You can't say like say okay now we understand as men say we know they like me they look our girls. Yes. But you are coming to handle it in a separate kind of way. Men they jealous. Don't be joke. Man they jealous.
This one he only jealous he don't ask no because he can't they keep person. And now they don't catch him, they don't put him for jail. As the thing they go, they talk say they find 4 shotguns inside in car.
Hi.
4
shotguns.
One man they carry 4 guns.
You are a military somebody.
He be soldier. He be military.
Even soldier know they carry this one.
You know they carry that thing.
Oga Soje where they might speak. You know even get toy gun self.
See.
This is wicked.
See what he carry now.
You can't go use them. They use your wife to test them.
He dey test bullets. I said this guy na arm robber and I lie.
This guy should rot in jail.
He should rot in jail.
He should rot in
Nonsense.
Jail. He should rot inside that jail.
Nonsense.
Ready for that jail. Maybe they even.
We don't support woman or man battering. Any battering we don't support.
Now make my man know there today. So
yes.
It's wickedness. I mean, talk to you. Oh, Shaka Yaba. Oh.
See, if not for you, I cannot hold my cool.
I know. And I want to drink water because at the vet inside my body I'm hot. At the vet.
Nonsense.
Oh, let's just leave that. This guy in the Brazil somebody.
The guy should be there.
You should be there, rot in jail.
Leave him in jail.
No trial.
Nothing.
No trial. Just stay for there and you're rotting in that place.
Non-entity agricultural level.
Exactly.
Nonsense.
You are esophagus too.
Yeah.
What you talk just like
I know. The one when you talking about
esophagus, nice side body.
So I can't tell you esophagus.
I just want call something with
as far as you curse, you curse. You do alright.
You do alright. He knows how to sound well for ear. So you are a cost somebody.
You are a cost.
Wicked brother.
Nonsense.
Now, still on the killing and battery things. Today is just a battery someday.
Oh wow.
This one now. 2 friends it's just like say me and the way you are there here like this now we come and have an argument and the next thing big. This one man to man again. Hey! Now these 2 friends, one Mario Alberto, he 25 years old and his friend Hernandez, 24 years old. Both of them are together friends and the next thing they have an argument.
Bam.
Argument. He say the reason why in they follow in friend they fight now because in friend had to touch him sexually.
Hey!
He say in friend though, maybe as they play, they don't come down like this. Hey baby.
Agbalo, if you touch me.
No, Mo never reach that side yet because you said I can't reason your own matter. This one you carry hair for head.
Yeah?
But see this guy now bad guy. He said he friend touch am sexually.
Now
Maybe the friend lick him ear. Don't lick her for ear. Now the guy say, it cannot happen. As in friend come go peace. Now the guy come out, come back. He said something they be done they drink, they be done drink.
They don't they knock.
He can go because he said don't knock. Don't carry gun come out. Casa just give him friend. Pow pow. For where his friend dey peace. As his friend can't fall down, die inside the pool of blood. Now he can enter inside house, go bring a knife. Hold him friend junction box.
Junction.
Like cut am. Cut am come out. In dog on the look am. In dog on the look am. Now can I give him dog? In dog can chop everything. So like this now, he not only kill the guy, he still cut off in this thing. He still give am to him dog. You are a wicked people.
That is man-to-man battery.
Man-to-man battery. Wickedness. Now the next day, he can't wake up. Now he say what he do bad. Only waka go police station. He say see what I do.
Hey, yeah.
My friend, I don't say he do bad thing, say he go try touch me.
Hey,
but you not
yeah.
supposed to die. Now the alcohol. Now he do it. Blame it on the alcohol. Blame it on the alcohol. Blame it on the
But that one no mean say you know go.
My brother, you go rot for jail.
If I hear say no enter jail.
Oh, they go sweep room for you.
Yeah.
Alright, or you stay here.
Don't dey there.
Eternity, you spend it for here. If you go there, go on again, no problem. But you spend. People are wicked.
Nonsense.
So make everybody for us just be very careful. See this just don't just like this now. Be careful, please.
Be careful.
Please.
All
Please,
right.
don't touch your friend in a sexual way.
Yes.
Please, and then don't touch me.
It's something they
I'll
want you.
not touch you.
Don't touch
no
me.
Kiss me for cheek.
Who go kiss
no
you?
rub me for eye.
Who go rub
no,
you?
No lick me for ear. No try ya.
Who be this?
Not even blow me kiss from corner.
Me?
I go blow your eye.
Yeah?
And then go end though. I no go shook you. I no go cut anything though. I go just blow your eye.
Who be this?
Because me and the vest like this.
You na my guy.
Anything fit happen like this. This video just happen like this. Okay, no do man to man.
They say no man-to-man battery.
Man to man battery. You are my friend.
How you dey?
How far now? Correct. My guy.
Sure
my
guy. Now so.
So we dey go for laugh the laugh now.
Yes.
We continue every on top of the show. No go anywhere. We coming back. Laugh the laugh. Huh? Aye. Laugh the laugh.
The topic don't finish.
You don't finish.
Oh, see.
Ọlọ́pàá.
Hey. You know what he say? Hey! Imacha.
Oh.
Ah.
Mama.
Mama they wicked though.
They beat on woman oh.
You know the
And they beat on woman. Don't you say because you just.
You know?
Okay, na prank. They prank the person with whole camera.
Eh.
They prank the whole camera.
Yes.
Even the one with.
Them self shock.
That mama is a heartless mama.
She's an action mama.
Give her blow.
Give her. Knock her for leg.
Go, give her
junction box.
I mean, what's wrong with you?
Hey. See,
But they are pranking that other people who are holding the camera.
yes.
A pranking
Because
something.
on a normal day, those people, as they did there, they're not supposed to move.
They're not supposed to
They
move.
go just
All the
do
police just stand like this. Anything. If you like, put feather for their ear. But they do they go
Exactly.
for them. Because they move like this. You have finished your work as a policeman.
You have
As for the
sacked.
policeman. Finish
You have
your
sacked. When they say you have sacked, you have sacked.
Okay, so that we don't finish the show like this.
We don't finish.
We don't finish the show like this.
I know.
So any of you now,
Me, I know they move again.
no move. Oh.
I don't do.
Just like that.
As I do.
Bam. Now, as it be like this now, we are commenting out on top of the PADI show. Hope so don't enjoy everything on top today. Maybe my wife go there tomorrow, we don't know. Maybe she don't go there tomorrow, we don't know. But left to me, I'm okay like this with my guy. Okay? You could just die. You just die here. Don't say you just fuck me.
Me want try am out now.
Please, make una jam us on top Twitter at Wazobia PADI. at Wazobia PADI. Reach there, give us gist and every. Go for Facebook, meet us for there. PADI. Go there, go like us, and then we go like you back and
dislike
you and
you,
do everything.
eh?
We love you, all of you. All right. So then, any last word from you?
Well, my last one be say, please, man to man, man to woman, woman to man, anything battery is not allowed.
At all.
Stay away from battery because if you do, we'll batter you into jail.
Exactly. You understand? So we love you. Mwah. Tomorrow we see una.
Hey!
Everything.
Hey! Hey! Hey!